Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I am going to show you the oopsie that I made. I don't know if you remember, a couple of months ago I created a video on loc extensions, and then I told you guys the process of how I got my loc extensions, etc, etc, etc. And last week I had to go to an event, but my hair was way too short for me to style it myself in an updo that I would be proud of. So instead I opted to do loc extensions, but I didn't go for the actual natural hair loc extensions. I went for synthetic hair, and just like I said in that video, it is the pits. I am going to first of all show you what it looks like when I pull my hair down, and then also we're gonna do a length check on my actual locks. Okay, so right now my hair is in a bun, which is more or less the way that I wore it for the event. I wasn't even looking for anything fancy. That is why the synthetic loc extensions wasn't a difficult decision to make. It was just an easy decision. But I'm gonna take, oh goodness, it looks so bad. But yeah, I'm gonna take it down today because I'm over it. And mind you, I think I've had these extensions for what, it's been about 5 days, and they already look horrid. I just took my bun down and you can already see the kind of mess the hair just looks like. Also, it sheds a lot. I don't understand, I honestly don't understand how people actually opt for synthetic hair loc extensions for an extended period of time, because this for me just feels very, what's the opposite of sustainable? Whatever the word is. But yeah, so this is what the locks look like. I mean, if you're gonna do this for a short period of time like I did, you know, you can get away with it, and also if you're gonna wear it in an updo. But if you want to wear your hair down and you're opting for this, girl, don't do it. Don't do it. I think the other thing that I was really concerned about was the color difference, because the loc extensions are stark black and my hair is not really the darkest at the moment. And I didn't want to go through the hassle of dyeing it, but I'll show you guys pictures of what I actually look like for the event. Under professional lights and flashes, it didn't actually really show much, which I'm very grateful. Well, it didn't show at all really, which I'm grateful for. But yeah, I have a few locks here that I didn't do because I was gonna do an updo, so I got lazy. But yeah, sure. I didn't even do this in an intelligent way. I literally just took a piece of my hair and a piece of the extension and stitched it together with black thread. I know I had a few that were already getting icky. Just want to show you guys what it looks like. Look at this one. You might not see, but this is where my hair starts. And this is where it kind of ends, and this is where the loc extension starts. So I just literally stitched it the way you would stitch a torn dress, just to get it on there. So guys, there's absolutely no way that I can actually undo this by myself, so I have a helper, I guess, on my channel. Come there. This is, I don't know if he's gonna want to show you his face, but this is Atlanta. He's going to, well, first of all, he's my boyfriend, and I've told him if he cuts my hair this relationship is doomed. So let's keep a close eye on him. Also, you can check out his music. Just go search AP Venom on YouTube, and the socials. I'll link his stuff below. Yep, let's get started.
Let's do it. And I'm suddenly blind.
Oh my goodness, please don't say that.
Yeah.
You know what's helping now?
What?
There's a clear-cut difference between the color of your hair and this. So right now I just cut and you see the hair has not been touched.
Yeah.
So to hell with the thread. I'm just looking at hair color. Shoulder. Yeah, stop skipping shoulder day.
Man, I don't know how I'm going to manage. We've only done about 3. We've done 3.
I've done 3.
You've done 3 in this.
Yes, I've done 3.
And there's 82 locks.
You don't have to be precise with the numbers. Just give motivation and leave it at that.
Yeah, I could use motivation for my shoulder.
Go shoulder, go. Go shoulder, go. Yeah, because I used to do my grandma's hair. I know how to plait hair, like 3 pieces together.
Is it?
I'm very good at that.
Is it? So you're gonna do my hair with?
That's the only thing I know how to do, because I helped grandma wash her hair. And
We shall discover what else you know how to do.
I guess, yeah. So this kind of is nostalgic for me. I think, yeah, that's why I'm enjoying it.
I'm saying you volunteered yourself to help me do my hair regularly.
Ah, but I have to want to. Me having the skill doesn't mean I have to.
You'll want to.
You seem so very sure of yourself.
I am very sure of myself.
That's toxic positivity.
How?
That's on some god complex type thing.
Hey, why are you getting touched, bro?
You realize that you being rude right now can land you with a patch somewhere.
How a patch?
Like a patch on your head. You know, old men, like over here, there's nothing.
Oh, on the ball.
Yeah, you'll be an old woman right now. Because you'll be bold for thinking you're bold. Imagine.
Hey,
hi, how are you? My name is Leo Hila Nkatel.
To know, you meant Katel.
No, mina bengucheli kamala. No, ikamala like you. And sometimes if you like me, because like I don't like forcing people to do things. If I give you my name and you won't give me yours, I won't be like, what's your name? Tell me.
Yeah.
Like you'd be like, Muntlanya. be like, I'm like, I am your pumula. Because I think literally you're telling me that you are tired. Yeah, like go rest then. Going on.
Yeah.
This other girl I knew, way older than me at the time.
Oh, still older than you now.
I'm literally having the same thought, like nothing has changed. She hasn't stopped growing and I caught up, but anyway.
Sure guys, so Escom rudely interrupted the filming yesterday, but I'm back. I'm done. I'm doing my hair. It's growing in really well. So far I have been maintaining my lock using the crochet method. But yeah, now that my hair is slightly longer, I think I'm gonna go back to just retwisting and give it a break from crocheting a little bit. If you look at my hair, the whole stitching didn't really ruin the integrity of the lock. It was a little thin after I undid the hair, but the moment that I washed it, my locks became very plump and thick again. But yeah guys, thank you guys for watching. Make sure you tune in onto my next video. I will be showing you how I retwist my starter locks. Love you guys, bye.